Hi, I'm Saxon, and this is Tiza Dentures. What is Tiza Dentures? Well, it's only the best place to get your dentures. Why, you might ask? For 3 simple reasons. 1, we got the best prices in town, and we're not going to nickel and dime you. Ask around, you won't find teeth at this quality for this price. Give us a call. We'll knock your socks right off, but your teeth will stay in. Number 2, quality and comfort. Did I mention we make sure these puppies look good, fit well, and stay put? That's right. These bad boys ain't going anywhere. Number 3, expert knowledge. Dr. Sandy Carmacy is a prosthodontist who's been specializing in dentures and implants for over 30 years. That's since before cell phones were a thing. That's a long time. So how does it work? Give us a call and we'll set up a time for you to come in. Once you arrive, Dr. Sandy will talk to you. Hey Sandy.
Hey Saxon.
Get to know you.
How are you doing, Saxon?
I'm doing good. Scan your teeth and give you your treatment options. She wants to make sure you have all the information you need in order to feel comfortable. You even get to choose the shade of teeth. If you're already using dentures but need a replacement because your current ones are a disaster, we make them right here using our 3D printer so you can have new ones in as little as 3 days. If you're new to dentures, the process is a little bit longer because teeth need to be pulled. While you wait for your gums to heal and swelling to go down, you will be given a temporary denture. Once everything's all healed up, you will be given your final, beautiful teeth. You might be wondering, what is a prosthodontist? Different from dentists, they're specialized in restoring lost teeth. So why does any of this matter to you? Well, making teeth is complicated. The bite can be off, the borders can overextend, causing dreaded sore spots, and teeth can be made too big, which makes them clunky, uncomfortable, and look fake. Prosthodontists go to school for an extra 2 years to make sure none of this happens to you. Having someone who isn't specialized make your dentures is like asking me to swim in the Olympics. The truth is, everyone should feel confident about their smile. Let's get rid of the memes and the stigmas about dentures. Dr. Sandy wants you to remember that you are beautiful with or without your dentures. Losing your teeth can be an emotional journey, but it does not have to define you. That's why Tiza Dentures is here to provide you with comfortable, quality dentures at a low price. Isn't that right, Abuelo?
That's right, Saxon.